Careful with your movement.
Backing up, Z.
All your calls out loud.
You recording, I mean.
Any call stops the play, okay? Get out the way of the ball.
We playing USK rules and we're not playing USK rules. We're playing USK rules. What are we doing here? We playing Bobby Bogus rules?
One or two. You're giving them. All right. 0-7-0.
No, give me. I give you. I gave him a little bit.
Side
Where
out.
you going? Can't give him that.
First server.
shit.
John. 0-7-0.
Tito, part of the stash?
Yeah, I went to the ball.
Half out. Second server. 0-7-0. Side out.
You know, I'm kind of like that depending on the situation.
First server is chance.
I don't like to like
0-7-0.
No.
Point. Conan. Can you bring that stream setup over here for me, please? Ball in. 1-0. Yes.
Ref, you're in the way. Ref, you're in the way. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
1-0. Yes. First server. 1-0. Half out. Second man, hold it.
If it's a block, ain't it the short?
I don't think they haven't told me. 1-0. Side out. First server John. 0-7-1. Out. Thank you. Half out. 0-7-1. Side out. First server Max. 1-7-0. Half. 1-7-0. You can't hold it?
He moved. The ball was away from him. You moved. The ball was completely away from him. Come on, you
That's a down.
No, we can hold it. Block ball, he said block.
No, he said no hold it.
He said no hold it.
No hold it. Yeah, point. Sorry. 2-7-0. 2-0. Good ball. Point.
Andy, you move. Thank God for trees. Fucking, the bathroom, of course, the bathroom's gotta be packed and I gotta pick the nearest tree.
Second server chance. 3-0.
This one? Big Mac, leave him now.
Go on to the wall. Go on to the wall. Second server. 3-0.
That's what it's gonna be dependent.
Half up, side out. First server John, 0-3. Point. 1-3. Half out. Second server. 1-3.
He's spraying on the other side.
Point.
I keep telling you, go at the weaker link. Let him be ice cold, nigga. So why are you making the game so hard?
You got a chance.
2 serving 3.
You don't bang them.
Point.
I was telling you, he's playing your
3 serving 3. Point. 4 serving 3. Stop play, guys. Stop play. When we get back, it's gonna be second man.
Let's go. Fucking go. Leave this thing alone. Let's go.
5-3. 4-3. 4-3. Max just hit it under. Max just hit it under. 5-3. 5-3. When we get back, it's gonna be second man.
Shoot in front of you.
Low.
Yeah, fun. Yep. You're right. That's something you just walk to walk under your legs. You're right. 100%. Watch. This is gonna be all day. You don't need to kill the ball. Please stop talking. Put the ball on the line.
I like how you refer to me.
No, I'm not.